Okay, let me tell you about this one as we walk through. This is the Osprey floor plan in Horizons at Carnes Crossroads. It's part of the Legends collection in the 55 plus active adult community. So we go in the front door, and up front we will see the 2 secondary bedrooms. Over here is the first one. It's at the front of the house, good size with lots of natural light. Then in the hallway right here we have a coat closet, and we also have a linen closet, which storage is always good to have. Next up, we have the full hall bathroom, which has a combo tub shower. Let's go ahead and put that down and get one more look at the bathroom. And then we will have the second guest room, which can be used for guest room, home office, or hobbies, whatever your needs are. And then over here, we are going to go across the hall to the laundry room, and this one has plenty of space. You are not squeezed in here, and there is room to add cabinets or storage if you want. From here, we're going to jump across to the 2-car garage. Good size garage. Unfortunately, the golf cart is not included. I know, disappointing. Okay, so now we're going to go down the hallway, and we're going to head into the main living area. The kitchen, dining, and living spaces are all open, which makes this home feel bright and easy to live in. Now, because this is part of the Legends collection, it comes standard with a gourmet kitchen. Includes the wall oven, gas cooktop, stainless steel hood, and then we have that pantry back in here, tucked back in the corner. So we're going to head across. We're going to go out back where we see the screened-in porch. Now, the screened-in porch is already included. One feature that I really love about this community, they always include screened-in porches, which is pretty huge for low country living, and this one's a pretty decent size as well. So we're going to come back in, and we're going to see the fireplace, which is another standard feature in the Legends collection, and it really anchors this living space. We're going to go across, and we're going to see the primary bedroom, which is tucked towards the back for some added privacy. Has a king-size bed in it to give you a sense of the size. And then we will go across to see the spacious bathroom, which has an oversized 0-entry shower. Plus, we have a very generously sized walk-in closet, which is directly off the bathroom, which is something that a lot of buyers are looking for. So the home itself is about 1,715 square feet, and it's all on one level, which does make it pretty convenient. Here's one more look at the dual sink vanity, and then we can peek in here at the water closet, which I know is something that every person has always dreamed of. We will close that door, and then we're going to come out and take one more look at how open the kitchen, dining, and living areas feel. Now, if you're looking for single level, low maintenance living in the Charleston area, this one is definitely worth seeing in person.